We're going to take all of our props, including our yoga mat, to the wall. Place the short end of your yoga mat against the wall. Come to lay down, press both soles of the feet into the wall. Grab your strap and have your blocks on either side of you. Supta Padaghustasana. Bend the right knee and place the strap over the ball of the foot. Straighten the right leg, slide your hands down the strap so your elbows rest on the floor. Inhale here, exhale. Allow the leg bone to release down into the socket, getting a nice stretch into the hamstring, relieving any tension in the hips. Breathe across the collarbones, relax the face, neck, and head. Take both straps into the right hand and take your left hand and place it onto your left hip. You're using this to keep the left hip and the left side of your spine and entire back on the floor. So keeping the entire left side of the body pressed down into the floor, left sole of the foot presses into the wall, you're going to open your right thigh and extend your leg out to the right. This is where the block will come in very handy. Place the block underneath the leg for support. Inhale, exhale. When you're ready, inhale, come on up to center. Straighten the right leg out. Press the sole of the right foot against the wall. Take the block to the other side. And Supta Padaghustasana with the leg straight for a few breaths here. Once again, slide the hands down the strap. Release any tight grip on the hands. Neck, head, and shoulders are relaxed on the floor. And the left femur bone is releasing down into the hip socket, creating a beautiful feeling of wide space and openness in the back of the pelvis. And we're going to open up to the left side. So take both straps into the left hand. Take your right hand, weight the right side of your body down. More important than getting the left leg down, keep the entire right body down on the floor. Take a deep inhale, and on the exhale, stretch from the inner groin of the left leg all the way to the heel, and allow your leg to stretch open to the left. If you like, turn your head to the right, and of course, breathe here. Inhale the leg to center. And when you're done, hug the knees into your chest and give yourself a little rock from back and forth. Some of the benefits of Supta Padaghustasana include stretching of the hamstrings and the calves, activating the prostate gland, relieving lower back pain, strengthening the knee joints, relieving menopausal symptoms, and calming the brain.